Today, more than 70% of job applicants don't finish an online application if it takes more than 15 minutes to complete. And many simply don't start at all. And the results are all too familiar. Business is shutting down, bars are shortening their opening hours, and production lines are being scaled back. This is mainly due to the mismatch in expectations between applicants and recruiters. Recruiters want as much information as possible right from the first contact, while applicants are no longer willing to provide it. With voice applications, we have found exactly the right solution at exactly the right time. Our world's first virtual voice interview removes the well-known barriers from the recruiting process and motivates candidates to apply again. Our focus is on non-academic professions and young professionals. The integrated pre-qualification cuts down on productive first screenings and enables a fully automated process from first contact to interview-ready candidates. With Talk and Job, candidates apply in under 2 minutes. They see your job ad and either click on the link or scan the QR code. No app installation, no login required. Questions are asked verbally, and candidates simply respond with their voice. No CV, no cover letter. Just their voice in any language that you enable, capturing all the key information. If needed, recruiters can activate the automatic pre-queue directly within the chat. This reduces time-consuming initial screening by up to 90%. The full application is then delivered either per email or directly into your ATS. Clear, structured, and ready to review. Each chat is pre-configured by the company for a specific job or job profile. Once set up, it can be embedded anywhere, fast and easy, across all online and offline channels. For some of our customers, over 80% of all applications now come through Talk and Job. Hiring costs drop by up to 80% and processes become over 90% more efficient. Less effort, better results.